Hello YouTubers, and welcome to a first ever review video of a product, and probably my first full-length video in a long time. As you know, and some of my subscribers know, it's all about the shorts. So I recently acquired a Tassimo coffee maker after my Keurig bit the dust. I went a bit away from the coffee phase and came back to it anyways. Unboxing of it, and the Tassimo came in this, and it's a TMO 30, and looks like a bit of an 8-ounce coffee maker here. And unlike Keurig, who would give you some pods or discs, they don't here. It came with this here, the coffee maker, obviously. Two sets of instructions at the top of the box. One instruction part one that looks like a troubleshooting and is kind of a verbal, and then you have the visual. And then you turn it around, and then, whoopsie, you have the Tassimo logo on the water tank here, and then you pull the water tank out like this, and you have another set of instructions, first use there. Put that back in there. And there's also some stickers to pull off here. Compared to the Keurig, and I'll put this back on, somehow it got unattached, and we can get it in right there, we go. Unlike the Keurig, this is more of a smaller unit. It's not the bigger units I've been used to. The top opens up like this, and you would put your pod in here, so it's not as deep of a pod, and this does read the barcode, and there's a little guide here. Okay, I guess you want a bigger cup and a smaller cup, whether this is adjustable. Don't look like it. Maybe it is, but anyways, that's what you see here. Smaller. Some of the Keurigs I've had have been 2 cups, so we'll close this, and looking like a stainless steel part, and yeah, you can see the phone in the background. You have the on-off switch down there, and then you have the start-stop here, and it's just a little push button there, like so. This here looks like a touch screen. That'll have to get to later when I finally get to sit up and operate it. So we'll have the first use instructions. This is a nice little thing here, and I'm just going to move it without kind of take it across the stove and put it where my last coffee maker was. So it sits nicely in a small space. This is the counter between the fridge and the stove, and that's where I have my last coffee maker. So it sits nice, and it, you know, if you have a lower cupboard, it doesn't interfere with it at all. So we'll get this going here, take all the plastic off, read the instructions, and we'll have a part 2 of the video, a full video, right here on YouTube. Accounting Fan 2008 also knows Winnipeg Trevor, and I'll let you know how it works.